Okay, I just got back from running errands and the mascara came. So let's open it together and try it on. Ooh, so this is the curling one. I just throw that. Okay, so I did this lash, the right eye with this and a little bit of this. Now we're going to do this. This is a curl and volume. Ooh, ooh, I like that. Okay. I have nothing on my lashes. Now we'll see if it curls it more than the other side. I went out for 2 hours with mascara on one eye. That's okay. I don't care. Nobody cares. You know what I mean? You get all self-conscious, worried, and nobody really gives a darn. I have to go in for a second. Swipe. Lots of volume. I think they're curling up more than the other side. I'm just going to do it to this side now, see if I can get it to curl. It's kind of stiff. Now it's a little too clumpy. Yeah. That's not good. Yeah, so if you wait a few hours after you put this on, it's a little harder to add anything to it. So they really are curled. Yeah, they're going up. Whoop, they're up. Okay, I can't add any more to the other side because it's too stiff. It was this one. Yeah, this is done. This side is done. No, it's too stiff. Now with this one, I could add more hours later. But this is an interesting one. Tomorrow, I'll try it on both of my eyes. Wow. Oh, wow. I mean, I've done it a few times, but wow. That is pretty wild. That is pretty wild. That's really, whew, boop, it's really showing up there. Oh, wow. I love to find a good product that doesn't break the bank. Wow, I never bought this one. I've only bought the green, and I wasn't impressed with the green. I absolutely love the purple, and this is the first time I'm using this because I want to see if I could actually get a good curl without a lash curler. I have a really hard time using a lash curler. Wow, so this builds. Look how thick. Oh, this might be even better. Woo! This might be even better than this. And this. Ooh. Do you see that? Can you see that? Well, I could see it. I'm telling you, I can see it. Holy cow. Wow, that's like false lashes. Wow. Ooh. Oh my goodness, they're standing up. They're standing up. Really standing up. But not just standing up, curling. They're thick. And you know what? I think you girls will like this one the best because it's not clumping. Wow. Okay, let me get a good, oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, they're just standing up. It's lifting my lashes so high that my tight line is showing. Oh no, what'd I do? Oh no, I smushed them together. Whew, okay, that's better. I smushed them, that was my fault. I usually never put on liner after my mascara. I don't usually touch my eyes after mascara because they'll start clumping. I am amazed. Ooh, this was a good one. If you have any mascaras you want me to try, let me know. I'm here to please. Wow, I'm surprised. I am really surprised at this one. This is wow. They're up and they're thick and they're not clumpy. They're not clumpy. They're just really, really thick. Really, really thick. Wow. Okay, I'm excited. This is called Lash Princess. Okay. This is the Curl and Volume Sculpted and Crazy Volume. This is the winner. Wow. This is the winner. I am like, I'm floored. Experiment done. Oh. These sponges are from their Paw. They come 6 in a bag. They're soft and delightful. What I will do now is take these, all the dirty sponges. I put in soapy water, put this in the microwave for like 6 minutes, and then wait till they cool off and rinse them out. And you have clean, sterilized, sanitized sponges. Now, you may not get all the stains off of it, but it's clean and sterilized, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna make my dinner. I'm gonna post a short about my dinner. My grandkids told me that doing shorts would be more lucrative. And shorts are 1-minute videos on YouTube. So I am uploading regular videos now, but I'm also doing shorts. So underneath the banner of my name, look for the word shorts, and then you'll see hundreds of short videos that I've done that you might like. No, I'm not stopping doing regular videos. I'm doing my regular videos. I'm just diversifying. I'm reinventing myself at 74. I'm reinventing myself. I love technology. I love to learn. I've got a curious nature, and I love to search for products. I used to be a personal shopper, and I love searching for products, helping people find things that work for them. And now I am always looking for something with a better price, because I am retired and I need better price options. So, okay, so listen, this is $4.99. This is a killer. This is better than sex. Oh, and the other one was Damn Girl. And then I have a ton of mascaras. So many, because I'm always trying. If you have any you want me to try for you, I will try. But so far, wow. Tomorrow I'm gonna put it on both. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Okay, good find today. Good find. Oh, I have my nausea wristbands. My son told me to get these. Press. You hold 3 fingers from the wrist, and that's where you put the little button, and you just press it. I don't care if it's mind over matter, but it's been working today. I am suffering with nausea for the past few years, on and off, and now it's gotten worse. Gotten worse to a point where I don't even know how to say this. You know, I love to cook, I love to eat. I can't stand it now. I still cook because I get a craving. By the end of the day, I'm starving, but I can't eat. I can't eat. I just eat a bite, and then I don't want to eat anymore. But I've been force feeding myself so I don't have to go to the hospital. Because what happens if you don't eat? You die. Okay, so we know we have. But it's just so hard to get the food down. It's not that I can't swallow. I can swallow. I can't. I can chew, swallow everything, bite. You know, everything that you need to eat. It's just that the minute it gets in my mouth, I'm done. It makes me cry. It makes me very sad that I can't eat. I know something's wrong, and they can't find out what's wrong. It's a horrible feeling. Look, and you don't want to go near anything. You don't want to eat. You don't want to. You just don't want to eat. I don't know what's wrong. I've been going for tests, CAT scans, I don't know what else they're called, but I've been going for all the tests. And so far, they still don't know. And my doctor's giving me medication to increase my appetite. And this is increased my appetite. This is what increasing my appetite looks like, that I still can't eat. I walk around in the supermarket almost daily to see if there's something that could get my appetite going. And I cook something because I love doing that. And I sit down to eat, and my head is in my hand, and I'm in tears because I can't eat. I've already lost about 10 pounds. I'm not looking to lose. I'm not looking to lose weight. I am looking to eat. So I try to eat everything that is nutritional. What I'm trying to say is whatever food I'm putting in, it has to be good because it has to make my body function. Can't just eat empty calories. It has to be something protein and stuff. And it's crazy. It's crazy. I've never had that before. I'm not even bothered by the nausea. I have so many ways to handle it. I have medication, I have the bands, I have the ginger chews, I have ginger ale, diet ginger ale, I have, I don't know, what else? I take ondansetron. That's in every 6 hours. But I don't take it every 6 hours. I don't want to have pills every 6 hours. It's not going to cure it. It needs to cure. We need to find out what is the matter. My ability to eat is getting worse. So, I've gone to an ear, nose, and throat doctor, a gastroenterologist. I've had an endoscopy. And now I'm having a SIBO test, and I get blood tests, and I don't know. Just how this mascara does with tears. Anyway, I'm trying very, very hard to make sure that I get nourishment. Because what happens when you don't? That color is too much. I think that's better. Oh yeah, that one's too light. This is a good brush by Wayne Goss. It's a very good brush. I'm trying to get my water down. I'm trying to get my food down. It's been going on for several months, and the no eating has gotten me more than the nausea. The nausea, I could lay down, and in a little bit I'll feel better, or I could take medicine. But the no eating, it's been... See this? This is my favorite blush. You see how I could switch? I don't want to bring you down or depress you, but let's see this. This is like my favorite blush, because look at the color. Oh, it's just soft, peachy pink. It's a real beauty. I buy these on eBay. This is Laura Mercier. This is my favorite color and my favorite blush. So that's what we do. We distract ourselves while we're facing the problem. We carry on, and we try to make the best of every minute that we have. So thank you for listening. I just... I don't know, I felt like sharing it. So have a great week, a great day, great night. Remember, I love you because you are beautiful.